Hey guys, it's I Can't Code, and I wanted to showcase my exaOCR that I built with Grok, DeepSeek, and Claude. I can't code, which isn't my name, but I have the ideas, and AI can make it happen. So why the heck not? I have a development team which is developing my software. So I make these concepts, and then they refine it. But at the end of the day, I don't see AI as a way to cheat my way into coding or steal jobs or what have you. It's mainly to kind of do these proof of concept systems, and then if they go a little bit further, then they turn into something like this where you can actually deploy and use it. So this right here, the Streamlit is to make sure the functionality is working, but its backend is basically fast API. So, okay, what? Oh, all right. So I pulled the code, built it, and then I'm just gonna do Docker Compose up here, and then it should start running. Okay, once again, your fast API is the actual application, and then the Streamlit is to kind of integrate with it, so that way we can test the functionality. There are two documents, I mean, three things we're going to be testing. These two are large. These were, documents from my tests. I'm trying to improve it where, something like a 900-page PDF can be processed within, say 2 minutes. And it is possible. It was happening before, and I did something stupid and it broke. And I lost the code because actually I didn't lose the code. I don't know what the hell happened. It just stopped working. So this is our favorite paper, the Lima paper, and then we're just gonna, go and process it. So we're gonna start conversion, take a peek at logs because it's just beautiful to look at. But then at the same time, we're gonna actually go in and, we're gonna look at this table, and then we're gonna look at page number, I think 6. Yeah, no, sorry, page number 5 table. So while this is happening on all of my OCR tests or test applications, I tend to track how long something is going to take to complete because time is something that I really value, which is why I make these proof of concepts for, developers to kind of save time, mine or somebody else's. So 30 seconds for 15 pages, I won't complain because it is CPU only, so you're realistically able to deploy it on any server without having to worry about GPUs. So since this is completed, let's take a peek at it, and I already have it up. Um, and I'll show you what those other two files are, but essentially they're segregated by page numbers. So let's say like I wanted to see. Let's just jump into page number 5 because I think that page number 5 was the one with the graphs. And remember, like the whole purpose of this is to basically work towards a retrieval augmented generation system. So when we look at a graph and the graph comes out like this in a markdown, that means the LLMs or embedding models are able to read it correctly, and they're able to understand it. That's the whole purpose. For a human to understand markdown, I mean, I really don't care for it as a human being. For LLMs, I care a lot. So for LLMs, this is great, which is all that matters. And then so like let's look at the page number 1 because I just want to show you how accurate this thing actually comes out to be. The names came out correctly, which isn't, I mean, it's not really a win, but it's a win to me. I should really have done that a little bit better by doing like something like, I don't know. Oh God, come on, don't fail me here. So, I mean, the names are coming out okay, great actually, very accurate. Everything is coming out as accurate as possible. Like this is our first page number 2 graph. It came out okay. That's awesome. But that's all great. All the text is great. You know what I mean? Like, let's see if we have anything complex here to see or show. Let's look at page number 13. I don't have any good hopes for it, but let's see. And then the reason I say that is because I can't code. Number one. Number two, this is a CPU only OCR, so why am I doing this? Why am I scrolling manually like a Neanderthal? Okay, all right. Page number 13, where are you? All right, so I guess I don't even know how to read that actually. Stack Exchange, this whole thing should be one section, so let's look at the section number 1, Stack Exchange. Does it end with this gibberish that I should have gone to school for and better understand? Yes, it does. And then Stack Exchange other should, be ending with ship or not. So it is working perfectly. And that's all I need. My majority of my documents are text like this, so it works for me. But let's look at the things that it doesn't work for. I'm just gonna refresh it so you guys can see it better. Um, Handwritten letters. The handwritten letters. Unfortunately, I wish that it worked on it, but it right now doesn't. This is the one from the Hunyuan test. No, Hunyuan test. I think I'm saying that right. But it gives out this kind of output, whereas it can't read anything handwritten at all whatsoever. So, if your use case relies on that, then this is not for you yet. But so let's look at the other thing where an image with with text is in question. So let's look at that really quickly. This is the image. How to combine text and image in e-learning design, right? So that is, that is this basically how to combine text and image in e-learning design. And it basically is able to read that text, but not the handwritten one. So there's that. So there you have it. It does run very fast. Does the job. I wish I could show you the bigger test with the 900 pages of whatever this book is, Dombey Sun, or something like a construction spec book. It will OCR, but just very very slowly. Not very slowly actually. It does do it fast, but just not fast enough. I guarantee you, if you look at the other video, it was processing very very fast. So there you have it. There's this use case, and I mean, there's this application that works. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if it's good for you, you know, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I guess I don't know, like leave a comment or something. All right, that's all.